Mr. Arif, I'm really sorry that you know better the problem in Afghanistan are too many, so that's why we are really late to start the program. So you can start the program, and after delivering us one or two unique points, we are requesting you to take a pause so our colleagues can translate whatever you have said or whatever you're going to say in Dari and Pashto languages. Mr. Arif, you can start the session.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, I would like to say thanks Afghanistan Open University to give me another opportunity to take a seminar with you with the Afghanistan people. Maybe 2 months ago, I had a seminar with the Afghanistan people, and that was nice, and I really enjoyed this. So first of all, let me share my screen. Okay, do you have my screen, everyone?
Yeah, that's
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So visible.
Okay. Who would help me to translate the language into English to Persian? Who will help me? Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Arif Remal. I am from Bangladesh. Actually, I had started work for Afghanistan people from 2021 when Taliban arrived. Then this time I see the lots of issue in Afghanistan, so I decided to do something for Afghanistan people. And that time I released my codes, basic computer codes and basic graphic design codes for the Afghanistan people. That was totally free, and I have successfully completed my courses. And for now, right now, WordPress course is running, and due to my office works, due to my freelancer works, I'm very busy. That's why I'm not continue my course WordPress course. But if any student messages me, I can help them anytime. So myself, I am a WordPress developer, and I am also a graphic designer. I have started my work from 2020. First of all, I work at Swastik Realty. This is an Indian-based company as a graphic designer intern. Then I moved myself into next level is post management. Then after that, I would move myself into Perfect Web Solution as a WordPress developer. And currently, I'm working Bhasha as a UI UX designer, and I'm also working uh, uh, I'm also working a company, USA based company. This is called Cool Media Marketing. I'm working uh, as a WordPress developer in remote work. So I'm just working from home. This is just I don't need to go USA. I don't need to go Australia to do my work. I'm doing my work from my home. So today's topic is Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn. I would show everything else, that how can I get work, how can I manage my time, how you would get your work, and how you can earn money from your house. Okay, so let me show my work, some of my works. So as a WordPress, I have developed this website in 2021. In WordPress sector, I have developed this website too, Rejoice Care Services, also this one, and also this one. This is my agency that I'm working as a WordPress developer currently, Cool Media Marketing. This is based on UK. And as a graphic design, I did lots of work. This is an LSM company. This is actually Football Academy uh, agency. So I did my graphics, as you can see here. This is also, and this is my perfect web solution that I already told you that I was working here as a WordPress developer and a graphic designer too. And this is the last one, Bhasha. So this is my introduction. Is there anyone translate my introduction into Persian, please? Hello, please translate my introduction into Persian. Anyone, please?
Uh, yeah, عارفول د بنگلاديش هیواد څخه ده چې په زیاته برخه کې کارونه کړي دي ګرافیک ډیزاینینګ او هغه ترڅنګ ویب ډیولپمنټ. ده په امریکا کې د کول کمپنۍ سره کار کاوه په ګرافیک ډیزاینینګ برخه کې چې 2001 څخه تر 2002 پورې، او دغه ترڅنګ په سایټونو یې جوړ کړي دي، دوه سایټونه چې موږ ته شو کړل، او دغه ترڅنګ په ګرافیک ډیزاینینګ برخه کې د کار کړی ده. دوی وایي چې اوس د مصروفیاتو له وجې زه نشم کولی چې دا کورس ویسمه، اما که څوک غواړي چې زما کورس څخه لیدنه وکړي، یعنې کورس درسونه تعقیب کړي، نو زه کولی شم چې مرسته ورسره وکړم. دی یو ګرافیک ډیزاینر ده او موږ سره به په فریلانسینګ کې مرسته وکړي. او دی نه امریکا نه استرالیا تللی ده، بلکې له کور څخه یې په ګرافیک ډیزاینینګ کې کې او دغه ترڅنګ ویب سایټینګ کې د فریلانسینګ کړی ده. نو موږ ته به نن وښایي چې فریلانسینګ باره کې زده کړه څنګه ده.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
We're going to
Okay, let's start our main topic. Okay, this is our session topic. We would say what we will discuss about. I'm going to discuss about the Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, and the last session will be question and answer. You may ask any question. So yeah, so let's get started into Fiverr. So let's see what is Fiverr. Actually, Fiverr is a marketplace, and in this marketplace you can earn money. In this marketplace, if you are working in the marketplace, that means you are a freelancer. Okay, there are lots of platform there are lots of services Fiverr provide. So let me explain you in a draw. So let's think this is my shop. Okay, okay, this is my shop and I am the owner of this shop. So this is called Arif. Okay, and I sell lots of things in my shop. It would be iPhone,
Sir Arif, could you hear me?
yes.
That's some of the participants they write they want to presentation. So could you inform that you will share with me and after like a participant?
Yeah, sure. I will share my presentation after the seminar. So don't worry about it. And if anyone have internet issue or timing issue, don't worry. I will record the session and I will upload the session in my YouTube channel. So Arif Remal. If you want to see my previous one, so you may just type Arif Remal. You will see my YouTube channel. Then you will check out this. Okay, so I will upload my session here and I will also share my presentation. So don't worry about it. Okay, so let's back to our topic. So let's say I have a laptop, TV, etc. TV. Okay, and there is a man. This is the man, I think. Okay, there is a man. Suppose his name is Karim or whatever else, anything. Karim. He visit my shop. Okay, he visit my shop like this. He's coming my shop and he wants to purchase the iPhone. He wants to also purchase the laptop. Okay, this is called in Fiverr, this is called buyer. Okay, this is called buyer. Karim is a buyer. If we think about the Fiverr rules, Karim is a buyer and Arif, that means me, I am the seller. Okay, so this is totally completed in online. Okay, Fiverr just develop a way. Okay, this is totally sponsored by Fiverr. Fiverr. Fiverr just develop a website to connect buyer and seller in one platform. Okay, if you visit Fiverr, you can purchase any product or you can sell any products. So Fiverr just think about that. If we develop a website or develop a system, buyer don't need to go seller house or seller don't need to go buyer house. They can buy or sell their products in our platform. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so Fiverr did the same thing, that they will just connect buyer and seller, and they will just sell their product or they can purchase their product. So this is buyer main this is Fiverr main algorithm. Okay, for this one they just take 20% discount, 20% charge from the seller and from the buyer. They just take 20% from the buyer and from the seller, and seller can sell his product from home and buyer can purchase his product from his home. This is the thing, this is the main algorithm behind Fiverr. Please translate my speech, please. Is there anyone help me?
Yeah, okay. What the first question, the first topic, what is the Fiverr? دلته د Fiverr د فریلانسینګ د پروګرامونو څخه ده چې ده د فریلانسینګ بازار کې د پروګرامونو څخه ده چې چې خپل واردات یعنې لکه خپل سایټونه دي، خپل مواد دي، خپل سکیلونه دي نړۍ په بازار کې وړاندې کوي. هغه ځینې خلک یې اخلي او ځینې خریداري کوي. لکه ته ته څوک وایي چې ما ته دا سایټ جوړ کړه یا دا ډیزاین راته وکړه، نو هغه ستا څخه ته غوښتنه کوي ته به بیا هلته ډیزاین ورکوې. دلته موږ مثال کې ورکړو چې یو آیفون و، یو لیپټاپ و، زه کې یو بایور و، بل سیولر و. دلته په 2% باندې چې تا ته دې موضوع باندې سم پوه نه شم. په دا فایور چې ده دا د خپل کور څخه خپل محصول ته تولیدوي، خلکو ته وړاندې کوي او هغه یې خوښوي. تا ته وایي چې زما دغه ستا کړنې خوښې دي یا ستا دغه سکیل مې خوښ دی، په دې کې ماته دغه سایټ یا ویب سایټ یا ډیزاین جوړ کړه او بیا هغه تا څخه خریداري کوي.
او بخیر ورځ یو خبر پاتې شو، هغه داسې فیور چې دی هغه د دواړو نه 0% اخلي.
Sir, could you hear me?
Yes.
So the example you should a little bit explain it.
Okay, let me explain it again. So let's say I have a shop. Okay, I am the owner of this shop. Okay, I want to sell iPhone, I want to sell laptop, I want to sell TV from my shop. Korean wants to buy iPhone. Okay, he wants to buy iPhone from my shop. So what he need to do, he need to go out, he need to take a bus, he need to take or any car. Then he can go my shop and he can ask me that, Arif, could you please sell iPhone for me? So I can easily sell him. But as you know, for now everything is online. Okay, so in this way Fiverr just develop a algorithm or develop a system that Karim don't need to go out from his home. He can easily he can easily visit my shop from his browser or from his mobile. Then he can easily order my iPhone, then he can easily take it uh, without any hassle, without any transport hassle. He can easily do this. So this is the thing, this is the Fiverr algorithm. Everything is going in online way. You don't need to go outside. This is the main thing. And for this reason Fiverr just take 20% from the seller and 20% from the buyers to skip the hassle. This is the thing. Do you understand area?
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, we got it.
Yes. Should I move forward?
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, initially, good evening and warm regards to everyone. And as I joined this class lately, I was in another class and I joined it late, so just I couldn't know more about this Fiverr. But my question here is that is it a platform in social media? And also, I want to know that in like in Fiverr is a platform as far as I got that we can buy and sell a product there. So we are in Afghanistan, right? And can we have activity in Fiverr like something that we're gonna sell them in this platform? Like I have many books and I want to sell them. So can I sell them in Fiverr or not books or anything, any other products like as you mentioned like it can be mobiles or is something else. So can we sell them in this platform in the Fiverr?
Okay. Thanks for your question. To be honest, you can't sell any product. This is just an example. You can sell your service like web design, web development, graphic design. But if you want to sell your product in online, you may choose Amazon. You can just create your account on Amazon, then you can create your Amazon store. This is called Amazon store design. This one would be another course. You may just sell your product on Amazon. So this is just an example. I will show everyone after a few minutes the services about Fiverr. Okay, you can just provide services on Fiverr like web design, graphic design, video editing, or acting, and something like that, but you can't sell any product on Fiverr.
Okay, yes, right. Thank you so much. That was all what I want to hear. But like if I be a graphic design, right? So how can I give service in this platform?
I will show you.
Like I
So
have to give service.
yeah,
Sorry, teacher.
yeah,
Miss Mariam, please you ask your question at the end of this seminar because teacher must be continue our seminar. Okay, sorry.
okay, thank you. So yeah, let's continue our seminar. So this is the Fiverr, and yeah, how to use Fiverr. Fiverr is simple, straightforward. There is no hassle like Facebook, Twitter. If you visit Facebook, Twitter, you will see lots of things which is not good, like lots of things. But Fiverr is straightforward. You can just visit. If you need any service, you can take it. If you want to provide any service, you can provide it. Okay, so Fiverr is straightforward. I will show you my Fiverr account, my Fiverr uh, orders after a few minutes. So you will see that it's easy. There is no hassle. Okay, so there are two types of accounts in Fiverr, as I already told you, buyers and sellers. Okay, so let's see how to create a Fiverr account. But the thing is, the warning and the most important thing is you can create one account from a single IP address. Let's say, let me back to my Excel draw. Let's say this is your house. Okay, so this house you must be use any like ISP provider like Wi-Fi connection. So there would be IP address. Okay, let's say IP address is 122 or something else. Okay, IP address should be like this. Okay, but you want to create an account. You have you are two brothers. One is Ali, another is Karim. Okay, Ali wants to create an account from your house. That means whenever he create his account from this IP address, okay, Fiverr won't allow you to create another account from the same IP address. Okay, from the same IP address you can create only one account, okay, from a single IP address. But let's say Korean provide website like website related service, and your brother Ali provide graphic design related service. That means sector is different. Okay, Ali provide graphics related service and Korean provide website related service, that means different service, so that you can create two account from a single IP address. But if you provide a website, if Korean provide website services, and if also Ali provide website services, Fiverr will block you. You won't create any account from your IP address. They will block you for the lifetime. So this is the important thing. Do not create multiple account from a single IP address. Okay, and Fiverr is straightforward, as I already told you. Whenever they will see any unusual activities, they just directly block you. So you will lose your clients, which is very very important to develop your freelancing life. You will lose your money and so on. So this is important one. Okay, so to create a Fiverr account, this is
Teacher,
yes.
sorry, teacher. May I translate this part for my all of person,
Yeah,
and
sure.
after that you continue the seminar. Okay, sir. Sorry, teacher.
Okay, okay, sure.
خب همکارای عزیز قسمی که شما فهمیدین قسمت امیزمی قسمت که ما جوین شدیم برشتون ما میگم و مطمئن هستم که قسمت های زیادش فهمیدین. خب استاد در این مورد صحبت کردن، گفتن که ما زمانی که وبسایت یا اکانت خود میسازیم باید ما یک اکانت بسازیم. اگر ما چندین اکانت بسازیم مکمل اکانت های دیگه که مثلا اساسا به ما اجازه داده نمیشه. اونا دو بخش براتون گفتن، یکی را فرد مثال دادن و همچنین یکی را به خاطر وبسایت معرفی کردن. یعنی گفتن ما در وبسایت مثلا هر آن چیزی را که بفروشیم وقتی که ما اکانت جور میکنیم در اینجا ما تنها هر محصول را که به فروش میرسانیم ما فقط با توسط یک اکانت خود میتونیم این فروشات انجام بدیم و ما تنها یک چیز رو به فروش رسانده نمیتونیم. ما میتونیم که چندین چیزها رو به فروش برسانیم و با استفاده از یک اکانت. Teacher, you can continue.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, so this is really easy to create any account in Fiverr. You just need to go www.fiverr.com, then you will see join or sign up button. So you can click join or sign up button, any button, then you will see this type of interface. Sign in means if you already have any account you can sign in. Okay, for the sign up reason you can click continue with Google. If you click continue with Google, there would be open a pop-up, then you just need to click your Gmail address. Make sure that you have a login with your Gmail address. Just click your Gmail address, then put your username. Okay, put your password, then verify your email address. That's it. Pretty much to create. You are done. Okay, so yeah, let me show you the step for the buyer account. As I already told you, you need to click join, then continue, then you need to choose your username, which is very very important. Username is a unique identity for your Fiverr account. Okay, if you have any Instagram account, if you have a Facebook account, you will see the common thing is username. Username is a one kind of identity. Let's say your government provide you ID, that means national ID. My government provide me national ID because national ID is my identity for my country, and username is your identity for your Fiverr account. So if there is anything wrong, they can easily track you with your username. So make sure that you have chose a username according to your need, according to your choice. So yeah, then just need to click the join button, then you're done. Okay, after joining this you need to active your account. Just go to your email address and click active. Okay, so this is the process how to create your Fiverr account. Please anyone just translate my speech.
Thanks teacher. خب در ادامه صحبت استاد باید بر شما گفته شود که استاد پروسه که ساخت اکانت بر شما یاد داد. بر شما دو موضوع مهم داد. من مطمئن هستم که شما هم میتون ساختن میتونین اکانت، ولی در کل پروسه‌ای را که اینا بر شما در نظر گرفتن گفتن پروسیجرش یا پروسهش قسمی است که شما باید امو اکانت وقتی که میسازین، هر کدام اکانت که میسازین برایش یک یوزر استفاده میشه و همچنین آیدی هم میخواد و همیشه باید آیدی را که انتخاب میکنین چیزی باشه که ارتباط با کشورتان باشه. یعنی ما نمیتونیم که خود ما از یک کشور باشیم و آیدی خود یا امو آیدی کشور از دیگه جای بزنیم. و همچنین پروسیجرش یک قسم اینا گفتن که یعنی کدام مرحله در مرحله مثلا از کدام مرحله در کدام مرحله مثلا پیش میرن. اول مرحله را که اینا یاد کردن، ما اول در خود وبسایت میریم. زمانی که در اوجا رفتیم ما جاین یا ساین اپ انتخاب میکنیم در مرحله دوم. بعد از اینکه در مرحله دومی کار انجام دادیم بعد میریم روی انفورمیشن های مهمش مثل نیم، مثل ایمیل و همچنین مثل پسورد. این آپشن های خیلی مهم در خود امی وبسایت است. بعد از اینکه اینا را خانه پوری کردیم و انجام دادیم، بعد از اون ما میریم به خاطر ایمیل آدرس خود زمانی که اد میکنیم و از زمانی که ایمیل آدرس هم اد شد ما یک پروفایل انتخاب میکنیم و از بعض تشریحات خردریزی که در این جریان وجود داره اونا رو خانه پوری میکنیم یا هم پر میکنیم. بعد از اون ما استفاده میکنیم آغاز امی فیبر خود و ایستا شروع میکنیم و پروسه خود در اینجا به پیش میبریم. My translator is finished, teacher. You can continue.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, so let's see the next one. Okay, the gig that I already told you. So let's back into our Excel draw. Okay, as you can see here, Arif, that means me. I want to sell iPhone, I want to sell laptop, I want to sell TV. So this is called in Fiverr gigs. Okay, this is called gigs. This is a iPhone is a single gig. That means iPhone would be a service. It would be graphic design service. It would be web development service. Okay, laptop would be another service. In Fiverr, this is called gig. Nothing. Just your services called gig. Gig is like not a hard thing. It's a simple thing. The gig is if you provide any poster design service, this is called gigs in Fiverr. As you can see, let me show you. As you can see, this person provide digital marketing related services. This is a gig. This person provide web design related service. This is another gig. This guy provide maybe flyer design or something else. This guy also provide web design service. So this is actually gig. Okay, gig is nothing. Gig is a thing that you provide your service to your client. So let's say if I sell iPhone in my shop, okay, whenever Kodim visit my shop, he will see that I have iPhone, okay, I have laptop, and I have TV on my shop. But recently when he visit, I added fridge or what should I do? What should I also sell? Remote, let's say remote. So let's say he visit my shop on Sunday. Okay, he visit my shop on Sunday. Sorry, Sunday. So on Sunday he purchased only iPhone, but after a few days, the next week, let's say Friday, he think that whenever I visit our Arif shops, I see that he also sell the remote. So let's go back to his shop and purchase the remote. Okay, that means whenever he visit my shop, he will see my whole product. Okay, my whole product. So first time on Sunday he just did iPhone, that why he just purchased iPhone. He also noticed that I sell remote, that's why in the next week, maybe Friday, whenever he needs remote, he again back to my shop to purchase the remote. So this is the thing. This is called gigs. So if I show you my Fiverr profile, if I click gigs, let me go to my profile so you will see briefly. Okay, preview Fiverr profile. Okay, so okay, as you can see here, there are all of my gigs. Let me click bevel. Okay, whenever any client whenever any client comes to me and they my client need only this service, website service, okay, but for the next time he also notice whenever I just give him these services, he also notice that I provide flyer design services. So for the next time, whenever he needs any any services related to flyer design or banner or poster, he again back to my profile and he again asks me that Arif, I see that you also provide Fiverr flyer, so can you just design a flyer for me? So I can easily just provide him the services. So this is the thing, the gigs is one kind of services. If you provide WordPress services, so if you have a skill in WordPress, if you also have a skill in graphic design, you can add your services into your profile. So if WordPress related clients visit my profile, he will also see that I have provide graphic design related services. That means whenever he need graphic design related services, he can easily come to me and he can easily ask me that Arif, please design a banner for me. So this is the thing, this is called gigs. That means your services. Please translate it.
thanks teacher. خب در قسمت این قسمت ترجمه استاد باید گفت که استاد بعض آپشن ها را به خاطر امی خود فیورز گفت که ما اگر داشته باشیم لپتاپ، تلویزیون و یا هم تیوی و همچنان آیفون، هر کدام از اینا جنسایی هستند که جدا جدا به فروش میرسن، ولی ما میتونیم که طور مثال اگر روز یک شنبه ما فروشات بسیار خوب داشته باشیم، امکان داره در روز دیگهش ما فروشات زیاد نداشته باشیم. یعنی ما خود ما هستیم که تعیین میکنیم که محصول ما به کدام نوع فروخته شود. آیا این سینگل یا جداگانه فروخته شود یا پکیج شود یا عمومی فروخته شود. و اگر و همچنان چیز دیگه که اینجا اینا اشاره کردن به این است که ما همیشه وقتی که محصول خود به فروش میرسانیم باید این هم به یاد داشته باشیم که محصولات ما زیادترش از روی امو پروفایلاش معلوم میشه. طور مثال نهایت امو خود آیفون که ما میفروشیم باید در روی پروفایل که ما آماده ساختیم باشه. هدف از پروفایل اینجا که گفته شد پروفایلش ما معمولا پروفایلی را میگیم که مثلا در یک جای عکس خود میگذاریم. اینجا پروفایل هدفش است که ما عکس محصول ما را با یک سلسله معلومات خیلی کوتاه چی کنیم اد کنیم. اون وقت است که ما میتونیم که سرویس یا خدمات خود به طور خوب باشه. یعنی ما میتونیم که خدمات خود هم به شکل عمومی داشته باشیم و هم به شکل انفرادی.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, let's move forward to next one. Oh, so next thing is how we can create the gig, and make sure that just notice the gig things. You need to understand the gigs because gig is the main thing. If you build your gig in the correct way, you will get lots of work. As you can see here, this guy completed almost 1000 plus work. So you need to focus on your gig. So let's see how to create your gigs. So first of all, of course, you need to log in your page. Then you need to move down on your profile. Don't worry about this, I will show you live after a few minutes. So I just give you the idea. Then you need to go to drop down, then create profile, create a gig. Then you need to choose a category. This is most important. Whenever you create your Fiverr account, this is important to choose your correct category. Let's say I am expert in digital marketing. In this case, I need to choose digital marketing category. If I chose web design category, I won't get any work from my account because I am expert in digital marketing, but mistakenly I chose web design. That means web design related jobs will come into my profile. So make sure that if you have a skill in web design, you have to select the correct one, web design category. Okay, then the next one, you need to write a title. You need to find out the proper pricing. You need to choose relevant image. Let's say you are providing graphic design related graphic design related service. You need to create graphics design related thumbnail image. Okay, so then just publish your gig. For the example, let's say the title would be professional logo design, and the example would be I would create a unique and professional logo for your business, blah blah blah. So this is the process. First of all, you need to just, as you can see here, I already told you, just switch. Oh, the important thing is you need to switch your account from the buyer to seller. Okay, I will show you after a few minutes, don't worry about this. Then you need to click create a new gig. Then the first thing would be title, gig title. For gig title, it's always start with I will. So let's say I want to create a gig for the banner. Let's say I'm providing banner design services gig. So I have to, my title would be I will create professional banner for your business, something like this one would be title. Category, as I already told you, category would be graphic design, then your related, maybe banner or something else. And service type, gig metadata, everything I will show you after a few minutes, don't worry about this. And the pricing, which is very very important. Pricing, timing, delivery time, everything is important. Then FAQ section, there would be FAQ section, there would be some requirements, and you can also add image, video, audio in your gig. Then sometimes if you if some for now, whenever you create any gigs, you need to take a English test, okay, skill test, so it will helps you to boost your gig. Okay, let me show you lively so you can understand. Okay, so as you can see, I am now in buyer mode. That's why it's called switch to selling. Okay, so I'm just click here, switch to selling. Okay, so I am now in seller mode. Okay, so you need to click here, gigs. Then as you can see that I already told you, you need to choose, you need to click here, create a new gig. Okay, whenever you click create a new gig, as I already told you, you need to fill up 6 steps. First one is overview, second one is pricing, third one is description and FAQ, fourth is requirements. There will be some requirements, and gallery and publish option. So first thing is, let's say I would do something else. Okay, let's say this one would be banner. Okay, something else. Then you need to select your, as you can see there are lots of category. Then let's say if you provide graphic design related service, you just need to click here. Then you need to select the subcategory. Okay, search tag, this is most important. If you provide banner related service, or if you provide any website related service, you need to just type here, let's say website. I want to create my gig for my web to provide my website related service. You need to just add your related keywords. Keywords means whenever buyer comes to Fiverr, they will, let's say if they search I want to build a website, there would be possibility to show my gigs in front of buyers. So this is the thing. But keywords means it will helps you to show your offer in front of buyer. Let's say I'm completing, make sure this one must be 15 character, okay, minimum. So yeah, buyer banner design, I will provide banner design for your business. Okay, this is my title, this is the thing. Okay, then save and continue. Okay, save and continue. What is wrong? Subcategory. I need to select anything. Book design, social media design. Okay, so select type, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Save and continue. Okay, and the pricing, which is most important. So for pricing, okay, you will see basic, standard and premium. Okay, you need to add basic, standard and premium. So basic would be platinum, and basic would be, let me, you just need to just name your package. First, second. I'm just doing fast because almost 1 hour done. I don't want to make it longer seminar. And third, okay, then short description, short description, short description for your title, short. I'm just typing dummy text, that's it. Then delivery time. Okay, delivery time means how many days you need to take to complete the project. For the basic one, it would be 3 days. For the standard one, it would be 5 days. For the premium one, it would be 7 days. Revision, that means if there is any fault, how many times you will revise. So it would be 2 times, it would be 3 times, it would be 4 times. So totally up to you. Okay. Okay, and the numbers of the platforms. So as I select my platform, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, each and every platforms have different ratio for the banner. For this reason, you need to choose that. If I chose 2 platform, that means I can design only for the Facebook or Instagram, or I can also just only for the 2 platform. Okay, if I choose 3, I can also just design for the 3 types of platforms. For the 5, if I choose something like this. And the pricing, this is most important. For now, whenever I start my Fiverr career, I just use only $5 for the basic one to get the works from my client. But for now, you need to start from tens. Then it would be 40, it would be $100. Then you can add your extra services. Let's say I have chose oh sorry, why is delivery date? Okay, let's say if I select one day, if I complete my basic package in 1 day, I will charge extra $30. If I complete my standard service, that means this service, in 2 days, I can charge extra $60. So in this way, you can complete this process. Additional platform, for additional platform, I don't, let me select this. Okay, what is problem? Okay, I don't want to take additional revision. This is the pricing. And the next one is most important, description, which helps you to get your client. Okay, so you need to write attractive description. So I just write attractive, that's it for now. And FAQ means, let's say you are a web developer, so I am the buyer. Okay, buyer can ask you like what information you need to start my work. So you can just a buyer can ask you, will you help me future, will you help me in future, help me in the future. So your answer should be yes, otherwise you won't get the job. Okay, something like this. You can add FAQ related to your services. Okay, let's say if it's this is my banner, so you can add that, how will you provide me high quality banner, then answer would be yes. Okay, then it at least 120 characters. Okay, then save and continue. Okay, then the requirements, this is most important. Requirement means how you can, let's say you have a project on WordPress website. So if you are a WordPress developer, you also need WordPress admin panel access. Okay, or you also need WordPress cPanel access. So you may ask here, please provide me your admin panel access, or please provide me your cPanel access to start the to start your project. Please provide me your cPanel access to start the project. So if you click require, that means if anyone purchase your product, they must provide you the CPM extra, otherwise your work won't start. This is the thing, requirements. And the next one is you must have less one requirements. Okay, yeah. And the next one is gallery. You need to, oh, I don't want. Okay, you can upload up to 5 image, you can upload 1 video, you can upload 2 PDF file, and then you need to click save and continue. And the last one is publish. You just need to click save and preview, so it will be published. Is there anyone translate, please?
Yes, sure, teacher. Before I translate, how many lessons remain, teacher? It's a lot or no? Because in Kabul, the time is really late.
Okay, I will do quickly. Don't worry. Maybe 20. Don't worry about it. I will do it quickly.
Okay.
Okay.
اوکی تیچر خب قسم که استاد درباره خود گیک امی مرحلهش براتون گفت این خود گیک هم از جمله یکی از برنامه است که با خود فیبر ارتباط داره. چند مرحله را استاد در موردش گفت. مرحله اولش این بود که باید مرحله اول ما موضوعی را که داشته باشیم این است که ما باید اینمی در خود فیور باید اکاونت داشته باشیم. در مرحله دوم باید به خاطر از این که ما بتانیم یک تصویر خوبه به خاطر پروفایل خود انتخاب کنیم، یعنی بر خاطر از این که ما میخوایم یک اکاونت خود داشته باشیم، ما میتونیم که در مرحله دوم یک پروفایل در استپ دوم پروفایل داشته باشیم، چون چندین استپ باید در نظر بگیریم. در مرحله دیگه ما باید کاتگوری ها را انتخاب کنیم، کاتگوری هایی که در خود گیک ساخته شده کاتگوریاش انتخاب کنیم که چه قسم کاتگوری ها باشه، با کدام شپ و با کدام شکل باشه. بعد از او کاتگوری دیگه که ما باید انتخاب کنیم است که ما یک در خود گیگ باید یک تایتل نوشته کنیم. تایتل چی نوشته کنیم؟ تایتل شهر یا محصول خود نوشته کنیم و یا هم یک پیام بسیار خود دیسکریپشن داشته باشیم، شرح دربارش بدیم. همچنان خود تایمر یاش مشخص بسازیم، یک تصویر انتخاب کنیم، یک تصویری که ارتباط داشته باشه با امی خود یا انتخاب کنیم چندین موضوعات مثلا فیسبوک خود، مثلا لینکدین، این چیزا را اگر بخوایم که داشت ارتباط بدیم ما باید یک تگ ایمیج از را باید داشته باشیم. بعد از او روی موضوع دیگه که صحبت کردنی بود که ما زمانی که اکانت خود در اینجا میسازیم، چیز دیگه که به ما اینجا بسیار زیاد مهم می باشه این است که ما جدا از این که ما دیسکریپشنش نوشته میکنیم و ارتباط میتیم دیگه لینک های دیگه، ما باید این هم بفهمیم که زمانی که ما محصول خود مثلا در یک روز فروشات می‌داشته باشیم، ما میتونیم که در مجموع مثلا $30 بعد از بیاریم و اما تو اگر 2 روز $60، یعنی این حساب ها پای در پای زیاد میشه و طریقه ای که در کدام آپشن ها چه قسم میرن و چه قسم آپشن ها انتخاب میکنن، کدام مراحل در نظر میگیرن، او رو ان شاء الله دیدین. در کل هدف امی گیگ کی بود که ما باید اکانتش در خود خود فیور بسازیم، باید ایمیج انتخاب کنیم، باید لینک های تمام سوشال میدیا که داریم داشت کنیم و محصول خود باید دیسکریپشن براش نوشته کنیم، تایتل باید براش داشته باشیم و همچنان در پهلوی از او ما باید ایمیجای را انتخاب کنیم که ارتباط ما بر محصول یا موضوع ما داشته باشه.
Okay, thank you. So whenever you complete, you have created your gigs, you will see here your gig gigs. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gigs. So this is the thing, and for the Fiverr platform. And if you want to get clients, you need to showcase your gigs. Of course, you need to showcase your gigs in the better way. You need to optimize your gig. You need to choose the competitive pricing so you can attract your client. Okay, you can build your reputation. Maybe you can get some feedback, some positive feedback, so other clients will trust you easily. And the benefits, there are lots of benefits, but the thing is flexible, and you can just earn money from your home. You don't need to go anywhere else, and you can the payment processing is 99%. So this is secure, and this is user friendly platform. As you can see here, it's really user friendly platform. You can easily like navigate your things. Let's say if I want to get any if I have any new notification, I can easily check, see this icon, that means there is a notification. If I have any new message, I can easily check here. So this is, of course, this is user friendly, that is no hassle. And yeah, so let's move forward into our next platform. This one would be Upwork. So Fiverr and Upwork almost same. Upwork's almost same, but Upwork is quite hard, I think, from the Fiverr. So you can, if you want to start your freelancing career, please start with Fiverr, then you can move yourself into Upwork, so you can easily understand the thing. Okay, Upwork is same thing. This is secure payment system, and you can just create your profile on Upwork. This is pretty easy. Okay, on Fiverr we provide our gigs as services, but on Upwork we just provide our uh, services as project base. As you can see here, projects. On Fiverr we just provide our services. This is called gigs, but in Upwork we provide our services. This is called project. Okay, and create a project, this is same, almost same as gig, so I'm not going to explain you more because almost same. You just need to just create the catalog. That means you need to choose the uh, services name, description, price, gallery, client requirements, that I already did on Fiverr. So this is pretty much easy, same as Fiverr. Then how to get work on Fiverr? This is same as Fiverr. You need to optimize your profile. You need to write a proposal. But the big different thing is on Fiverr, if you want to get new works, you need to wait for the brief. So whenever client send you brief, you can read the brief. You can just, then you can send them offer. But for the Upwork, you need to create a proposal. Don't worry about it. I will show you the whole thing. And of course, you need to showcase your portfolio on Upwork account so that client can understand your services. Okay. So if you want to get clients on Fiverr, you need to just create professional profile, build a strong portfolio, provide excellent services, and so on. And the benefit is you can just get, as a buyer, you can easily hire like talentful freelancer, talentful worker. Okay, let's say I want to hire someone else, I want to hire a graphic designer. I can easily go to my Upwork account, then I can easily hire them from my Upwork. Okay, and this is cost saving. You can hire anyone maybe $5 per hour. You may hire anyone $2 per hour. So it's all it's of course cost saving. You can hire anyone from the Upwork easily. Okay, then productivity. If you hire, let's say I have $100, okay, but I want to hire 10 peoples. In general I can't, like in future, in live way I can't do this, but if I have Upwork account, I can hire uh, 10 people in only $100. Then I will get most I will increase my productivity. So in Upwork you can just save your money. Okay, let's say I want to hire a graphic designer. You just need to go Upwork, you just need to search graphic designer. There are lots of graphic designer. You can easily hire them and you can easily contract with them. You don't need to, not you don't need to have any office. You just need to create your account and you just need to buy. That's it. And let me show you some overview of Upwork. As you can see, this is my Upwork account. If you see my profile, okay, this is my profile. I just done only one job because I don't have time to spend on Upwork or Fiverr. Alhamdulillah, I'm getting lots of work outside of Upwork and Fiverr. So yeah, as you can see, I have review. So my client just review me that really well delivered, excellent communication. As I mentioned in the portfolio, I have portfolio section. Okay, so if anyone visit my Upwork, they can easily check out my portfolio and they can easily understand about my skills. then skill section, then catalog section. You can just show your works here. And as I already told, let's say I want a graphic designer. I need to just click here, graphic designer. So there are lots of graphic designer. So I'm now in my in seller mode, that's why it shows here. But as I told you that if you want to get new works, you need to apply for any project. Let's say I need in WordPress project. I want WordPress project. So I just need to just search here WordPress. So there are lots of WordPress, immediate WordPress plugin developer, professional, uh, freelancer, then AWS consulting. So let's say if you want to apply for this job, first you need to just check out the things, job overview, what they need, job responsibility, job requirements. Once you think that no, this is good for me, so you just need to click here, apply here. Then proposal will be open. You need to write down your cover. You need to add your additional like attachments. Okay, then just submit it. That's it. Uh, this is the way to get work on Upwork. But on Fiverr, you need to wait for the brief. This is the new update on Fiverr. This is the process. Could you please translate it? And we're almost done.
اوکی thank you teacher. خب چیز دیگه که در اینجا مهم بود و روش بحث صورت گرفتی بود که آپشن هایی که در اینجا گفته شد عین همون آپشن های موضوعات قبلی بود. فقط چیزی که در اینجا نواری بودی بود که ما توسط انستال کردن از این برنامه میتونیم که هایر کنیم گرافیک دیزاینر را، یا مثلا جدا از او هر کسی را که مثلا ما نیاز داشته باشیم میتونیم که اینجا اعلان کاری بشه بتیم و جذبش کنیم. دیگه چیزی که در اینجا بسیار نوآور بود که ما میتونیم که همو عایدات خود اینجا افزایش بدیم. و همچنان در پهلوی از اون موضوع دیگه که اینجا گفته شده بود که ما باید امو گول یا هدفی که در موضوع می داشته باشیم ما میتونیم اون را که به ترتیب بنویسیم. این که مثلا چه قسم ثبت نام میکردیم، چه قسم آپشناش پر میکردیم، اینا را خود تحت مراحل مختلف استاد برتان نمایش داد. In the first, thank you teacher Halas for your seminar because it's very useful. I hope the people of Afghanistan also can use from this platform, and also Afghanistan Open University is very happy to have you and you're working in one or two seminar you get it in this university. Afghanistan Open University is very happy about this issue. I hope that all of the people in existence in this seminar to must be used. I ask just one question and after that I leave because I have another seminar must be attending that. Teacher, how can we use this platform in Afghanistan? Because we know better the Afghanistan about internet, about the other platform is not better working. This platform is working in Afghanistan also. We can use it or no?
Yeah, you can use Upwork and Fiverr on Afghanistan, but if it's not work, don't worry about it. The next thing is LinkedIn, which is most important. So you can also get clients from the LinkedIn. So if it's not work, don't worry. You can just create your LinkedIn account, then you can just get real buyer from the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is worldwide. Okay. If Upwork and Fiverr not working, no problem. You can create LinkedIn account. This is the thing.
Okay, thank you so much, teacher.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a list linking because and some persons are very about that because in right in chat box this system is not working in Afghanistan. And this issue I asked this question from me. Thank you so much, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So let me just complete that seminar. So if it's not work, Fiverr and Upwork in your region, in your country, you can create LinkedIn account. This is pretty much easy to create LinkedIn account. And let me show you some tricks and tips how to get your client on LinkedIn. You just need to type CEO on LinkedIn. Whenever you type CEO on LinkedIn, then you need to select the people. Okay, you will see lots of people. Okay, as you can see here, that means they are the CEO of the company. This man is the CEO of Darso Technology Limited. Let's say you want to connect these people, just click here, connect. Then don't forget to add the note. In this note you can provide your like services. Sorry, you can provide your you can introduce yourself. Let's say this is my things. I have note down this one. So add note, then paste. In this one, I just type, hello, I am Arif Remal, I am a WordPress and graphic designer. I came across your profile. Would you like to connect, expand our network, and potentially collaborate? Please check my portfolio slider. In this way, you can just create a note within 300 word. Then you can send them. Whenever they accept your they accept your invitation, then you can easily ask them hello, how are you? Then you can just create your connection relation with the client, with the CEO. CEO means Chief Executive Officer. That means he might have power to gives you any job. And the next keyword would be founder. If you type founder, okay, you will see lots of founder comes here. Then you just need to click here, here people's. Then let's say he is the founder, so you can just the same way just click here, connect here, and send them note. Whenever they accept your connection, then you can just create a relation between them. And every maximum CEO and the founder, their behavior is too friendly, so it would be easy to get directly work from the LinkedIn account. And let's say you are expert in WordPress, you are expert in graphic design, but for now you need a job. Instead of connecting the people, you can just click here, jobs. Okay, then you can just type, let's say I want WordPress. You can select the location, and you can easily get the you can easily apply job. Or the another way is you can just type hiring WordPress. You can type just here, hiring WordPress. Then instead of job, let me go here. Okay, you can just type PHP developer, let's say, then hiring. Make sure that you have at hiring PHP developer. Then you can click here, post. Okay, then you will see lots of post here. Then you can filterize it past 24 hours, then show result. Then you can see this one, Fahad Hassan, he is hiring the PHP or WordPress developer. So you can directly message him, hey, how are you? I see that you are hiring PHP developer. I am expert in PHP. As you can see, this is 4-hour post, 4 hours ago. So in this way, you can also take job directly. Okay, this is the tricks and tips for the LinkedIn. Is there anyone translate this, please?
Yes, sir. I can do that job.
Okay.
Can I?
Yeah, sure, you can.
اوکی استاد منشن کرد گفت که به خاطری که امی پلتفرم فایور که است خب در افغانستان زیاد کاربرد نداره، به خاطر که خوب کار نمیته یا شاید هم به خاطر مشکل اینترنت ضعیفی است که داریم. خب شاید فایور در افغانستان خوب کار نکنه. پس استاد یک پلتفرم دیگر معرفی کرد، لینکدین معرفی کرد، گفت شما میتونین از او استفاده بکنین، یعنی میتونین شما در اونجا سرویس بتین در لینکدین و در اونجا آپشن را براتون نشان داد که در پیوپل میرین، در اونجا مردم هستن، CEO هستن، CEO های کمپانی مختلف هستن که شما میتونین کانکشن بگیرین، یعنی همراهشان در ارتباط شوین و همچنان در اونجا شما چی میکنین؟ خودتان معرفی میکنین و همچنان همی سرویس هایتان، خدماتتان برشان میگین که ما اینی خدمات را دارم، یا اگر گرافیک دیزاین هستین از گرافیک دیزاین مثلا خدماتتان برشان میگین، یا اگر دیجیتال مارکتر هستین یا هر سرویسی که دارین میتونین اول خود معرفی بکنین و بعد سرویستان برشان بگوین که ما در اینی پلتفرم مثلا به شما میخوایم آفر برشان بتین که اگر یعنی کدام آفر داشته باشن به شما میتونن بتن در بخش گرافیک دیزاین یا دیجیتال مارکتینگ یا هر بخشی که است شما میتونین که برای اونا سرویس تان نشان بدین. این مثل یک ادورتایزینگ است. ادورتایزینگ است پلتفرم تان از ادورتایزینگ است پروفایل تان است که میتونه شما را کمک کنه که مشتری را جذب بکنین.
Okay, thank you. And yeah, as I already told you that you can connect with your connections, then you can ask them about the services if they needs. You can, so you can directly connect in Fiverr in you can directly connect with your client in LinkedIn profile. So I told you that everyone, please do not waste your time in Facebook or Instagram. Just waste your time on, spend your time on LinkedIn to to find out the clients. And that's it. That's it for today's lesson. If there are any question, please ask me. Anyone can ask me any question. If you have, I will try to answer.
Thank you, sir. It's very much appreciated. One of the great webinar for us. We got us something about the Fiverr and Upwork and LinkedIn. So the question is that it's very easy that we should create one of the account related to the Fiverr and Upwork and LinkedIn. So how do we should observe and get in some of the techniques you should tell me that we should catch some of the customer about the gig, maybe project or something else.
Okay. So whenever you create if you want to create gigs on Fiverr, the best resource is YouTube. You just need to type how to create gig. So you will get lots of tricks and tips how to create a gigs on Fiverr. So there are lots of video. You will get lots of tips from the video. You can easily understand. Or you can also type how to create a project in Upwork. You will get lots of videos so that you can get the idea. You can understand the proper way to create your project or to create your gig. Then you can easily get the client. So please always focus on YouTube. YouTube will help you a lot. For myself, whenever I start my career, I always learn from the YouTube, and alhamdulillah right now I'm quite successful. So always I suggest everyone to follow the YouTube. That's it.
Thank you, sir. Just the next related to the fraud. Some of the people they think about the Fiverr and Upwork and LinkedIn. There is a lot of fraud. So it is right or not?
Sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat?
Just I ask about the fraud something. We should understand and like sure about them something Fiverr and Upwork, the seller or buyer, the gig or maybe the project. There is a fraud something or not? I'm gonna do the fraud.
There is a
Something is fake, something is fake, exist or not,
yeah.
that we should see.
Yeah, this is very important. Yeah, there is a fake scammer always. So in Fiverr, in Upwork, whenever you create account, whenever you get new job, someone maybe ask you to send, let's say, $100 to get the next job. This is a scammer. And let me show you some scammer on Fiverr as well. As you can see in my chat, this is a scammer. He's just asking for a job. Whenever I text him, he did not respond me. So in this way, there are lots of scammer in Fiverr and in Upwork too. For scammer reason, Fiverr just block only Pakistani people, because there are lots of Pakistani people to do the scam. There are lots of people from the India, they are just scamming. There are lots of people from the other country, they are just scamming. They are just asking you to just send them money and get the work. So please be aware from the scammer.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Is there any question?
Yes, sir. Can you repeat how can we get rid of the scammers or frauds by blocking the Pakistani people or Indian people? How we can block them? Because I have the Upwork account and I got a project, but it was fraud. They weren't, or he wasn't from India or Pakistan, from the African country. So they asked me some money and my ID card, or maybe my bank account. Yeah, these three accounts through the Telegram account.
Okay, that's thank you. Thanks. This is nice question. Okay, how can you block? Just go here for the Upwork. You just need to go here. Then you will check somewhere else. Block option. Yeah, there would be somewhere else to block. Forget it. There would be option to block the people. Uh, I forget it, but there must be an option for to block any to block your client, or I can get help from Google how to block clients in Upwork. Okay, go to Messenger, then click on the client's name in the top. It display drop down menu where the option block is available. Yes, here I think.
That's okay. It means we can block
Yeah,
through the Upwork accounts. But one more thing, when I was just getting the projects, I was just looking for the suggestions, and then I could go and request for them to get the job.
yeah, you can just, the first thing would be you don't need to replay this type of scam, and the second thing is you can report his message, and the third thing is you can directly contact with the Upwork manager, so they can easily just track them. Okay.
So how to realize if they are fraud or scammers? Because there are so many job lists or projects to choose, but how to choose the correct one?
Okay, that is nice. Okay, let me show you how you can understand the correct one. So let me search WordPress. So yeah, as you can see, this is called payment verified. That means this is the person, this one would be, this is not the fraud one. Okay, he is also from the Indian. Whenever you see the payment verified, that means there is the possibility, there will be 10% possibility to fraud. But if you say the next one, and as you can see the earning spend, he is spending almost $300 in Upwork to hire the people, and he is all is spent almost 3K. That means huge dollar. That means he must be the real one, he is not the fraud one. Okay, let me scroll down. Payment verified, he spent 14K. That means he's the real one. Payment unverified, spend 0. That means there would be possibility, 90% possibility that he would be scammer. Payment verified, 10K spent, he would be the correct one. Payment unverified, United States, that means he would be fraud one. And the thing is, most important is, if you see that he is joining the member from 20 September, that means recently he created his account, there would be possibility that he is a scammer. So in this way you can just check out. As you can see, he spent almost 20K, and he hires 50 freelancer, and 5 is active, and he is the member since 14 October of 2019. That means he is the real one. So in this way you can just check out. Do you understand?
Yeah, thank you. It is hard to find the real job.
Yeah, yeah. It's sometimes it's hard to find the real job, but don't worry. Whenever you get any client, there will be huge work that I did. Alhamdulillah, I have a client. He is from the USA. He is a nice person, and he just gave me lots of work. And he just, I'm just busy with his work. So just do work, just do hard work. Inshallah, one day you'll get.
Okay, thank you. Because once I got a project, but they told me to send a message through the Telegram ID when I just did their job, their project completed. Then after that, they asked me my ID card. After sending their ID card, bank account, they asked me for photo, and after that, they told me to send them some money.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, this type of scammer just do the thing. Yeah. So is there any question? And our seminar almost done.
Yes,
You
sir.
may leave if you. Yeah, please ask me.
Yeah, my question is that except these two platforms that you have got information about them, it means LinkedIn and Fiverr. So, is there any other platform for the freelancers to get their service?
Yeah, there are lots of platform instead of Fiverr and Upwork. This is called people per hour, and you may just let me check top freelancer platform people per hour. I just forgot the name.
Thank you so much, teacher Ariful. Thank you. In the Afghanistan, the time is so late. We finish our seminar. Thank you so much to come to our seminar and to give a lot of very good information about freelancing.